Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tian, and in this video, I'm going to check whether the theme we created works or not. So first, I'll just cut this and I'll paste it in my local host. So let's go there. So if you remember, we have the local host in XAMPP, then htdocs, then Tian. Then here you will see WP content. So we need to go into this. Here you can see themes, and I'm just gonna paste it here. So the theme name is Tian, and here you can see there are three files: index.php, functions.php, and last but not the least, style.css. So I'm going to open the XAMPP control panel, and here it is, and I'm going to turn on this and this, minimize this, and I'm going to log in to my localhost WordPress website. So I need to go to this path, localhost slash tian slash wp admin, because that's where my WordPress is. So then I have to just and my password is this, and I'm gonna log in. So after the login information, I'm seeing this, and if I click on appearances and themes, I should be able to see another theme, Tian. So here you can see Tian. If I click on this, you can see the version is 1.0. This is by Tian, and in the down side here you can see the URI, www.tiansarena.com, because that's what we uh, wrote in the author URI, and this is the description. And currently you are not seeing any picture here because we have not assigned any picture. We have to assign a picture. After assigning a picture, we can see it like this. So if I go here, we can see these are the tags I was talking about. So these are all the tags that this theme supports, and you can do this once you are working on your theme. And this is by the WordPress team, and a good description, and currently the version is 1.4. So our theme is working, and let's see whether it's activated or not. So the active theme is 2020. I'm simply gonna click on this activate, and now the theme we have is Tian. But if we go to our site, we will see absolutely nothing, because we have absolutely nothing to show for in our index.php. So in my next video, I will just customize some things so that the theme does not look blank, and it can retrieve some information from our site. So I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.